Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Guys. This is why I changed the background. This is why I changed the background. A lot of you guys were like, why did you change it? I don't like it. Yeah, it's not looking good in here, guys. That doesn't matter, though, because today we need to go and check out the big, dirty, stinking base portfolio. There's actually another coin that we all need to be paying attention to, guys. Now, before we do get into that, if you want more big, dirty, stinking base updates, you want some more vibes, come and join me on my journey to 15k subs. Click the subscribe button. Alrighty, guys. I'm feeling pretty happy today. Had a good gym session. Portfolio's not looking too bad. Got some good food on the way. We chilled. We didn't act emotionally over the past few days to week. And if we did, we would have been absolutely kicking ourselves right now because we would have probably panic sold rather than panic buying, which we should have all been doing if we had capital to be DCAing in. This is what I said to you guys for like the past month. I'm building a cash position. You guys should too. For literally what just happened last week, guys. Now, the base portfolio is not looking too bad. We're going to go check out Aero. We're going to check out Alien Base, because a lot of you guys are a little bit worried. You said, is it all over for Alien Base? I'm going to keep it 100 with you lot. Then we're going to check out Moonwell. We've got a new coin to cover as well. We'll check out Chicky Time with PokPok. And then I'm going to show you some charts that I am looking at that, for me, will initiate the real Pumpy time and the real altcoin season. Now, let's start with this, guys. This was from December 16th. So this literally exactly a month ago. It's January 16th today as I'm recording the video. Alien Base in the top 10 protocols of base. Consistent rise of TVL reaching 4 billion, still increasing. And then all that stuff happened and they basically had an exploit, right? So it wasn't actually Alien Base. They got exploited and then unfortunately they were kind of like a collateral effect of this. So a lot of their like TVL stats and everything did go down. Their price went down. People sold off through Alien Base, okay? Now, if you go on DeFi Llama, then after this video, you guys can check it out for yourself, right? You've got all the different things that you can go through here, all the different metrics. So TVL, market cap, token price, liquidity, FDV, all that sort of stuff. Developers. Now, we're gonna remove developers and we're going to have a look at TVL. You can see TVL is now, 60% of what it was. The token price sitting at 19 cents, a $25 million market cap. Now, when we take a look at things like, let's say, token liquidity, it's not looking too bad here, guys. Okay, let's get rid of TVL. If you look at token liquidity, it had a massive little dumpy time, massive shakeout. People probably got scared. All the retail that added their liquidity here were probably scared and they removed it. But if you look at the ETH liquidity, it's had a massive recovery. So if I was to think that Alien Base was going to zero, I wouldn't just take into account the price, guys. Okay, there's some things that not everyone will show on these videos and not everybody even thinks about looking at is the actual liquidity. People buy these shit coins that have a 100k market cap and then 5k in liquidity. You're never going to be able to sell. The fact that they've got 3.5k ETH and, it's been pumping up over the past couple of days is really good. It means that it's going to be able to be traded a lot more, which is going to benefit the price as well. But then even on the USD pair, it has had a spike over the past couple of days, guys. So it's gone from 6 million in liquidity and it's doubled to 10 million, which is great. With a market cap of 25 million, having 50% liquidity is fantastic. A lot of these coins that you're trading, a lot of shit coins that you guys trade, is 10% liquidity, if that, right? If that. So they've got 50% liquidity to be trading at today's current market cap. So it's not too bad in my opinion. Look at the active addresses, guys. You compare it to March and you think, oh my god, it's all over. However, if you compare it to pretty much the peaks of when the price was going up, the active addresses, it's not that low compared to where it was before either. So it's probably about the same amount of people that are still in Alien Base. I still trade some of my base coins on Alien Base as well. I haven't really had any issues. Have you guys? I use Alien Base. I use Aerodrome. Okay, fantastic swaps. Aerodrome is my #1 base holding. I love Aerodrome with all of my heart. Someone asked me in Twitter the other day, they were like, oh, is it all over for Aerodrome? Aerodrome's a shit coin because it went down to 90 cents and now it's at $1.24. Is it a shit coin? Are you a pussy? I don't know which one it is, guys. You can let me know what it is in the comments. But go and check the token liquidity. The alien base liquidity, you know, is a little bit lower. However, look at the liquidity to the market cap. The liquidity is at about, 90 million to 100 million. The market cap is at 900 million, nearly 1 billion. 10%. I didn't even check that before I said it to you guys. So 10% liquidity for Aerodrome. Now, who is ready for this? Unfortunately, we haven't confirmed anything yet. So before we get ants in our pants, we need to have the breakout. We need to have a higher low. I tweeted this earlier and I said, right, we need the higher low. Higher low could even take us to 94k for you guys to visualize that. I tweeted this out earlier. Go and follow the X. We're nearly at 1k followers, guys. 99k, we're showing a lot of strength earlier today. It looks like we're trying to have another retest, which initially is quite bullish for the price of Bitcoin. Trying to hold back the premature e-pumpulation. Higher low, 94k. If we break this, retest, hold, it's going to be fantastic. But we need the reclaim. Okay, we need to break this high. We need to break this high and hold it. But just be careful, guys, because I actually did, with the members club, we DCA'd out of one of our top holdings in our large cap portfolio today. I took 33 schmackaroonies, 33% out of my bag. So starting to think about DCAing out. We've made some documents in there. Again, if you need help with like DCA out plans, you can go and join the members club. 50% off sale right now. You can go and do that, guys, before the bull run ends. We've only got a little bit of time left, guys. We're approaching the final phase. Okay, we've had all of this bull run. It's in this final little 10-15%, which is where all of the alts rally. And because they only rally for like a couple of months or so, people seem to think that they're going to rally infinitely or rally the same amount of time as Bitcoin. I am here. I don't care if you guys think that we're going to be topping in March or topping in October. People keep telling me I'm an idiot for saying that I'm expecting a March top or a Q1 top. I don't care, because if I can get out now, and the fact that I've started to DT out of one of my coins now makes me feel like chilling. I'm not going to be one of these. I'm not going to be one of these emotional traders who at the top you're like, do I take out? Do I not? It hasn't hit my price target. Has it not? Sometimes there's a mental block. It's what I said to the members club earlier. It's a mental block with people because they say, well, if you're expecting the coin to go higher, why are you taking out now? Preserve the capital, de-risk yourself as early as possible. Protect that mental health, guys. Now, a quick little update from PokPok. Who loves PokPok? I minted a chicken and it died. Why didn't I keep up to date with it, guys? Because all the 3-day call options maturing today, which mine would have, are in the money. Oh, well, I'm going to have to open another one, guys. I think I'm going to open one soon when we do break the resistance. Or maybe if we print a higher low for Ethereum, then I'll be letting all of you guys know on X I'm opening another chickie. Because a lot of these guys are making some big money on PokPok now, guys. Like, this is not a meme. This is an options trading platform for a lot of newbie retail. Even if you're not newbie retail, for me, I had no clue about options. Then I came in through PokPok and they helped me learn so much, guys. So PokPok, I'm always repping PokPok, looking good. I'm trying to pick up as much peg as I can. It is in our buy zone. It's in our buy zone. Don't fade it, guys. They've got a lot of coming in their roadmap in Q1, in Q2. Shout out PokPok, guys. Check them out. I'll leave a link for everything in the description. Now, I'm not going to get into Degen. I'm going to do like a dedicated Degen video. So all of you guys that's been asking for Degen, you're going to get it. Maybe you get it tomorrow. Leave me a comment. But Degen got a Coinbase listing. It pumped short term. And then when it got listed, it ran to 600 plus mil. Toshi pumped from about 80 mil to 254. Is Toshi going to $500 million soon? Well, it could be, guys. Who got in on the Toshi hype? This is not me saying buy Toshi, by the way. I might buy a tiny little bit. But to be honest, my base portfolio is looking pretty good. I don't know if I want to buy into the hype. We've really pumped up 100% today. But again, it's been added to the roadmap along with a few others. Go and check out the Coinbase roadmap, guys, because they'll keep you up to date on when new coins are getting listed. That is why Toshi did pump up like a motherfucker today, guys. Because they said Toshi, Peanut, and QCAD are going to be added into their network. And now on the topic of this video, didn't really think we're going to talk about liquidity so much in this video, but Toshi team added 170 ETH liquidity just before the main CEX injection hits. you're not bullish enough. This is what you like to see. So again, Toshi could be a great pick. And lastly, Moonwell, another one which was like on the most hated list. Look at the 1 week chart, massive cup and handle. We're going into the dollars, guys. What do you think? Currently at 5 cents. The macro breakout target is going to bring us to like $3. That's going to be 100x from the low. It was like 3 cents at the listing low, right? So if we could go from the Coinbase listing at 3 cents all the way to $3, you get 100x on Moonwell. This is going to be a hated rally because a lot of people bought in quite high, maybe at like, 10 cents, 8 cents, rode it down to, what was it, 4 point something the other day, which was our buy level. Who bought the buy level after the last video? They sell it, and then it rides up again, they buy. It dumps, they sell it, it's about to break out again, right? So be careful with these ones, but let's go and check out all of the charts. We're going to go check out Aero, we'll check out Alien Base, we're going to check out Toshi, we're going to check out Moonwell. But before we do look at those charts, yes, before we do, guys, we're at the 100 MA, okay? Be careful. I did my dance. Historically, when Lex does his pumpy time dance, we dump. Okay, maybe short the market. I don't know. Up to you. Not financial advice. But every time I do my dance, we dump. And remember, as much as I'm, saying this is great, looking good right now, we still haven't had a change in market structure yet. We still haven't broke this high. We need to break like 3.7k for ETH for a reversal and a change of character in the chart. So this is where I will really be doing the real pumpy time dance, when we can hold this. And then also when we can hold this breakout level. We've had our initial breakout and retest of this like smaller trend in the daily, and now that we've successfully held the 100 MA, we're coming up to a bigger level of resistance. When we can break that and then hold, that is going to be fantastic. That's going to bring us to like 1.6 trillion target, just to make sure that I am not talking rubbish from the bottom to the top. That's a little bit overextended, but you get my drift. It's going to be around 1.6 trillion. Now Aerodrome, $1.36. Thought you said $1.24 a minute ago. Lovely. We are finding resistance at the 100 MA. Remember, we lost it. Okay, but I did say to you in the last video, is this repeating? This that happened here, hated dump, hated rally. Is it repeating again? We've already held higher lows. Okay, if you look here, really zoom in, we've held higher lows, guys. It's not too bad. I know my chart's quite messy. Are we trying to change this next key resistance, which is right here, into new key support? It could be happening soon. We need to break this level, have a retest, and then we can go and we can say, right, was this a massive cup and handle? Because if it was the cup and handle breakout target, we'll move this up to about here. We can say the cup and handle breakout target is going to bring us to like a nearly $4 Aero. Not bad so far. Alien Base, something that I showed you guys in the past video. Probably not bad to be like picking up now. I said I wasn't gonna pick up anything until we got to this demand zone. We're hovering just above this demand zone. This could go down to 11 cents, guys. Okay, bear that in mind. This could easily go down to 11 cents, but 18 cents I don't think is too bad for Alien Base, to be honest, guys. The all-time high was nearly 60 cents. It was like 58 cents. So mad discount right now for Alien Base. Just hovering above the demand zone. Not looking too bad. Probably can start picking up some more here. When we check out Toshi, this reminds me of many charts that I've looked at. Like, a lot of these charts do start to tell the same story, guys. You want to front run the all-time high. We're going to come back to this clip. I'm going to say Toshi was here. You had a chance to front run the all-time high. Don't ask me if you should buy. Okay, you can buy anywhere in these zones. And I do think that once it does get listed on Coinbase, you're going to see like mad volume go through this thing. People are saying it's the first native base coin on Coinbase, or base meme coin on Coinbase. So right now, anything below this 3290 could be an amazing pickup for Toshi. What's like a rough guesstimate of where it could go at the 618? It's going to be about 100% from where we are today. And then last but not least, Moonwell, guys. Look at Moonwell. Perfect entry. 4 cents. Who got the 4 cents entry? Gave this to you literally 3 days ago, okay? When we were down here. I hope that you guys that were on the fence did get it. If you didn't get it, don't worry, because we did have a higher entry that we're literally at right now, at 5 cents. You're at the initial entries that all of you guys were creaming over about a month ago. No, about 2 months ago when we were up here and you're going, oh my God, should I buy now? You got our initial prices again, okay? So if you want to take it, you can take it. Not financial advice. We could start to trickle down, like I said, all the way until April for well, which would be disgusting. A lot of these times, these things do break out before they do reach the apex, guys. But we've got a lot of resistance above our head. We've got to break this 100 MA at 6.1 cents right now. But I do think anything below the 100 MA is a buying opportunity. That's it, guys. If you made it this far, congratulations, because that was a long video. Do I keep the background? I probably need to clean up if I am going to keep the background. You guys let me know what you think I should do in the comment section. If you made it this far, support my journey to 15k subs. Let me know what base coin you want me to cover in the next video. See you in the next one, gang. Peace.